Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. I haven't posted for a while, just been really busy. Today I really wanted to fly my drone and take some 360 shots, but because it's really windy, I don't think I will be able to do that. So I'll just park my car there. Obviously my little one, she's here with me, and I'll probably have to just, do you know what, I'm gonna just test how good the DJI Mini 3 Pro can handle in such really bad wind. You can see here how windy it is. So we're gonna do that instead of taking some 360 shots. So let's have a look at that. So I'm gonna put this one on the table. Come on. A bit sand. That's it. You can see me properly, isn't it? Right. And now we're gonna try to take off and see how good the Mini 3 Pro can handle such a bad wind. All right. Cool. Sweet. So I'm gonna switch on the controller and I'm gonna switch on the drone in a bit and see. Pretty windy outside here today. It's also because I'm gonna have to change the battery. Just because it's also we are on top of the hill somewhere here, and it does adds up. So we're gonna switch on the battery. I forgot to charge them last night, so I got around 60% on all them batteries. So that should be alright anyway, just to show you how good the Mini drone will gonna handle the wind. I don't need that. Come on. I need to keep an eye on my little one as well. As you can see here, she's running away from me. And my wife, she have to run away for her. Alright, cool. So my drone, it's switched on. Just go fly. I don't need internet access. I'll just have to screen record as well to show you. Cool, that's all done. So let's have a look how good the Mini 3 Pro can do in this such a wind. Really, come on. All right. So that's all done. We're gonna switch off, take off now. Check complete. And I'm gonna show you here, just like that. And as you can see here, it handles the wind pretty good for Mini 3 Pro. Now you can get 5 Pro, which is a bit more, well, it's a better drone in terms of for a build, but Mini 3 Pro, I mean, it still handles the wind pretty good, as you can see here. I'll probably go a bit more. You can see here. Oh. You can see here, it's a bit windy, it still handles the wind pretty good. I probably try to go a bit more high. So it still handles the wind pretty good, even higher. You can see the drone up in the sky. So it's doing a pretty good job, to be honest, for such a mini drone. I still got Air 2S at home, so I should brought that with me for 360 shots. But I wasn't expecting to be that windy. So I'm only gonna risk to take some 360 shots just because it's too windy outside. And them 360 shots, they won't turn pretty good. But you can see here, try again. Have a look. It handles the wind pretty good. It's not that bad for a mini drone. Probably the battery will gonna discharge a bit more faster. There you go. You can see here. You can see here how windy it is and how good the drone handles the wind. I don't know how windy it is now, but as you can see, it's definitely windy. So I'm gonna bring the drone down before it flies away. But I doubt we're gonna fly away, but just I got what, 46 battery and no point flying away. So I'm gonna take it down. It's only a short video. I wanted to do a bit longer video for you guys, but just one of them. The weather is not really, it hasn't been great since January. So I'll try to hand catch it as well. So let's have a look. You're gonna see how I hand catch it as well. So I'm gonna put in sport mode. All done. So that's how good the Mini 3 Pro handles the wind. I drove here to take some 360 shots, but because it's really windy, I just showed you how good this drone handles the wind. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Again, I'll see you in the next video.